Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Cubase 5 and creating a new project. Choose an appropriate template or empty to avoid clutter. Next, set your sample rate and bit depth to match your audio interface so you avoid resampling problems later. Create the audio tracks you need, assign each track's input to the correct interface channel, and arm tracks for recording. Make sure input monitoring is enabled if you need to hear yourself. This gets you ready to capture sound without delays or level surprises. Once your tracks are armed, go to Device Setup and confirm the ASIO driver is selected for low latency. This is why monitoring feels natural. Route each track to the correct physical input and set input gain on your interface so peaks sit around -6 to -3 dB, which preserves headroom. Choose your record mode, replace for full takes, cycle for loops, or comp for multiple passes, and mark punch-in and punch-out positions if you plan live overdubs. This controls how Cubase records and compiles takes. Press record and perform. Use pre-count or the metronome to lock timing so your takes align. After recording, stop and review takes in the pool or use track lanes to comp multiple passes. You can trim, crossfade, and apply basic EQ or compression for clarity. When satisfied, choose File Export Audio Mixdown, select the time range, file format, and bit depth, then export. If you encounter no audio or latency issues, check ASIO driver selection and track input routing as a primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.